Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making my kicked up bacon ranch potato bake. This is so delicious, guys. I have actually been craving these, so I wanted to go and make them and of course share the recipe with you guys. So here's the list of ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need about 5 to 6 medium to large potatoes. We're going to dice them. You're going to need about a half a cup of melted butter. You're going to need for the seasonings some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. You're going to need some ranch dressing. You're also going to need either some hot sauce, or I like using Frank's Red Hot Buffalo sauce, but you guys can use either or. You're going to need some mild and sharp shredded cheddar cheese. You're going to need some bacon chopped up, and then you're going to need some scallions. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to make Rexy's kicked up bacon ranch potato bake. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, guys, so what I have here is my potatoes that I've diced. Just dice them into, you know, bite-sized pieces. You don't want them too small, you don't want them too big. I have my seasonings over here, my ranch, hot sauce, and then the toppings, which is the cheese, the bacon, and the scallions. So the first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Once you've cleaned and peeled and diced your potatoes, just make sure that they're nice and dry. Just go ahead and pat dry them real quick, just to make sure that there's no moisture or water left on there from rinsing them. Okay, and there's the oven saying they're ready. So here I have my half a cup of melted butter. And all you're going to do at this point is just pour the melted butter all over the potatoes. I know it seems like a lot, but it's not. We want to make sure that the potatoes are nice and coated with all this butter. So just kind of give them a quick toss. And what the butter is going to do, besides give it a nice flavor, is it's going to brown the potatoes. And that's what we want. Okay, that looks great. Okay. We're going to season our potatoes. We're going to do some pepper, however much you guys want. Of course, we're going to do some salt. We're going to do some garlic powder. And of course I'll have all the measurements and ingredients in the description box. Looks great. And then some paprika. And this is pretty much just for color. Oops. Alright. At this point, what we're going to do is we're going to bake these at 400 degrees, and we're going to probably bake these for 45 minutes to an hour. But like I always say, everybody's oven is different, so just keep an eye on them. We want them fork tender, and then to have a nice brown little crispy crust to them. So we'll be back in about 45 minutes to check them out. Alright guys, my potatoes were in for exactly 45 minutes. And look how beautiful these are. Nice golden brown. I already tested them with the fork and it's fork tender, so they're perfect. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put the ranch. And like I said, you can either do your favorite hot sauce. I love Frank's Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce with ranch. I literally can put that on anything. I absolutely love it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your ranch, however much you guys want to put on, and you're just going to drizzle it all over the potatoes. And don't worry about it being perfect. It's going to melt all together, and it'll be perfect. Just like that. And then take whichever you're using, whether it's the buffalo wing sauce or your hot sauce, and you're going to drizzle it on top of the ranch. And I'm telling you what, guys, this is absolutely delicious. Like I said, I've been craving this. It is so good. And if you guys have never tried like buffalo sauce mixed with a ranch, you guys are missing out. Just like that. And then you're going to take your cheese. Now remember, this is mild and sharp. But you guys can use whatever cheese you like. I just think this works really well. And you're going to put it all over the potatoes. And 2 cups should work perfectly. But, you know, if you guys want more cheese, by all means, add more cheese. So just make sure that it's all coated. Just like that. Alright, at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to put it back in the oven for 5 minutes just for the cheese to melt. So we'll be back in 5 minutes when this melts. Alright, guys. So it was in the oven for 5 extra minutes. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? And we're not even done yet. I can't even express to you guys how good the kitchen smells. Okay, so once that's out of the oven, after your 5 minutes, we're going to put all this delicious bacon on top of that. So just sprinkle it around. It's such a quick, easy little dish to put together. You could do it as a little side. You could do it like as a little appetizer. You could do it as part of a main dish. Okay, and once your bacon is on, the last step is just some diced scallions. And just sprinkle that right on top of that. However much you guys want. And that's it, guys. That's how quick and easy this dish is. Like I said, it's absolutely delicious. It's one of my favorites. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let this cool for about 5 minutes and taste it for you guys. So we'll be back in 5 minutes, guys. Okay, guys, I can't wait anymore. Like I said, I've been craving this. So I'm going to taste a little bit of everything. Let me get this little guy over here. Make sure that I have the ranch and the hot sauce. Alright, this is going to be hot, so. Wow. This, guys, is so good. You have to trust me and try this. I hope you guys enjoyed my kicked up bacon ranch potato bake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I always enjoy making them for you guys. Let me know if you make this and how you liked it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.